In this video, I'm going to teach you how to buy CSGO cases on Steam. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Of course, as you can see according to the title, I'm going to teach you how to buy cases for CSGO, but CSGO has been replaced by CS2. The process is exactly the same, so I'm just going to leave the title as is, but this will work if you want to acquire cases to open in CS2. All that you have to do is go to the Steam Community Market. This can be found either on their website or on the launcher by hovering over Community and then clicking Market from the drop-down menu. Usually under the popular items you will be able to find a bunch of cases because they are the most sold item on Steam. If you want to search for specific cases, I recommend that you click on Counter-Strike 2 at the right side of the screen, and you will be able to browse through only CS items. You can look for a specific case here, for example the Bravo case, and browse through its listings, or alternatively just look through all of the items until you find one that satisfies you. When you click on any of the items listed here, you might be able to access all the items that are included on the case. So for example, if you want to know what this skins looks like, all that you have to do is look for the specific name and you will be able to find more information regarding all of the items included in the case. But for the most part, all that you have to do to purchase any of the cases is go to their page and you will be able to use the buy button. You can either purchase a case instantly by buying one on the sale here, or you can do a buy listing while you input a certain price, and once a case is announced at the price you specified, you are going to purchase that one instantly. Regardless of which option you choose, either by setting up a buy order for a specific price or buying one through one of the available listings. As soon as you do it, you are going to get a notification in-game and the case is going to appear on your inventory. Now, all that you have to do is select a case, choose Unlock Container, and you will be able to purchase a bunch of keys to open all of them. You can inspect all of the skins in-game, and you will be able to acquire and use them as you wish. I hope I was able to help you on how to buy CSGO cases on Steam. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.